What's going on, everybody? In today's video, we're going to be opening up our brand new Pro 100 watt 12 volt mono solar panel. We're going to show you what's inside, how it's packaged, and how you can expect it when it comes to your door. All right, so let's get right into it. So when you receive the package, of course, you will receive a little pamphlet here with some tips and how to wire your solar system together, as well as some neat solar info in the middle. And then on the back, if you need any help, of course, we have our contact information there. So that comes standard. And then let's go and see the panel and how it's packaged. Okay, so this is how your panel will come packaged. As a Pro Series panel and as a panel that has an all black frame, it's very important to not nick or scratch any part of that. So we've taken extra measures to protect not only the corners, but the actual face of the panel right here. So we go and remove this foam right here, and then you'll be able to see your cells. They'll come intact. And then on the corners here, we not only have cardboard corners, but we also have removable foam cornering for added protection when this panel is on the way to you. So with that being said, let's go ahead and take all these off and show you the panel as a whole. All right, so now all the protection has been taken off of this panel. It is all good to go for your application of choice. If you're interested in picking up this website exclusive Pro 100 watt 12 volt mono solar panel, go in and visit our website at www.newpow.com, or go in and click the link down in the video description below. All right, everyone, this is Dominic from Newpow, and I'll see you on the next one.